Hi gorgeous people, welcome again to Wendy style. I have short hairstyle that will complement your face shape and your features. And one thing about this hairstyle, it will make you feel confident. You can see this hairstyle, it works well for beautiful black women. And the one thing about this haircut is that it involves cutting off all your relaxed or damaged hair to really reveal your natural hair texture. And this style can be liberating and empowering. And one thing about the style is that it can really allow you to embrace your natural hair in a new way. One thing about the style is that it can add volume and texture to your hair. It's a hairstyle that will make you look more youthful. You can see this hairstyle, it will give you that bold look, and this style can be styled by cutting the size of your hair short and leaving the top longer, or even will I say by shaving the sides and leaving a strip of hair on top. Is a simple and easy natural hairstyles that will give you that look you want, and you can see the style for yourself. They are gorgeous hairstyle that will take many years of your age. And you know, there are many short natural hairs that can really make you look younger, and you can see this classic short hairstyles, it will instantly make you look younger. And one thing about this hairstyle is it's low maintenance, it's versatile, and you can see it for yourself that they can be styled in a varieties of ways. So if you really have a very short hairstyle, this cut on your screen is a great option, and it's easy to maintain, and you can see it's a beautiful hairstyles that can be styled in different ways. So just check out all of my videos on how you can style your hair and look good always. I appreciate every one of you, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles.
I'll put you in front of my
like you guys to check out other of my videos. You can see where you can click, where you can check out other styles that you can try, and other fascinating styles that will take many years of your age. I appreciate you watching. God bless you, and see you guys.